boxes. Got a big package in the mail. Yes, a big package. And I'm ready to open it. Battery symbol on the side. No one cares about that. But, anyways, let's open this package. Yeet. And I'm not gonna throw it, like throw it into the camera view, because I don't want it breaking. It is fragile. Although it does not say on the box. I mean, it does say I want to be a pizza box, recycle me. But still, it does not say fragile for some reason. Let's open this box. Ooh, poppers! More poppers. You guys can keep those. You guys can have those. So, if you can't already tell, I'm not going to show this side because I don't know. Can you see my battery? HP. I'm not going to show this because I don't know if I can show it or not. But anyways, HP. HP, what could it be? What could it be? Let's open up this package. Yep, I can't get... Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, I can't get it out. Here we go. Okay, guys. So, with a little bit of trouble, I finally got it out. Ooh, this looks sick. I have everything. Here. Oh, ASMR. Here, I gotta get close for this one. You guys need your daily dose of ASMR. Focus. Okay, ASMR session is over, kids. Bye-bye. And... okay, ASMR class is back in session. Ooh, my parents are probably going to think I'm so weird for doing this. Stick that over there. Okay, let's go. Let's go back over there. Yeah, yeet. Okay. Now, let's get to the laptop. Oh, those are foam blocks, not the laptop. Oh. Well, this is an unpleasant situation. Here we go. Dang it, there's no ASMR in this part. Okay, guys, I got it out. The pavilion. Guys, scooch over. Scooch over. Pavilion. Ooh. Sick. It says pavilion, but you can't see it. HP Pavilion. Oh. This is lit. Ooh. Got everything now? Yep. Now, just gotta set it up, guys. So I'll see you then. finally started to roll up. Got the laptop. And we're going to plug it in for the first time. There we go. PC on, PC up, and so lots of stuff. If you guys can see that, PC on. I'm not gonna turn it on right now because I don't want to go to the setup process right now. But anyways, guys, that is the end of the video. My hair's long. Comment if you think I should cut it. I don't know. I don't want to. So please say no. Anyways, guys, that's not a video. Oh my god, my SD card almost fell. Jesus. Anyways, guys, that's the end of the video. Hopefully nothing else crazy happens. Okay, good. And I will see you next time. See ya.